Alright guys, with these ends. 2014, I couldn't read the month. I cannot crouch down on my knees. My knees hurt if I do. I heard it sit down. Just pain. The fan's spinning really slow. Cold, sweaty, ice cold. August 2014. The pain logo used to be right there. I have it. Here's that Nordyne. It's from Motors. 2005 Heat Pump. GE motor. Same motor. I don't know about that. All three of these units have the same fan motors. That one's been on. Those aren't running. I hope that Nordyne's running. Over there. The old equipment's not on. I've never seen that equipment off. I'm pretty sure no one lives in the apartment. They just have the equipment set to the lowest cold degrees. I've never seen this equipment off once. Fan motors. Like, what? Yeah, that's missing. It's cold and sweaty. I've never seen that going off before. Yes, the Nordyne's on. Finally get to see that unit run on camera. It's blowing extremely hot air out. It's blowing super hot air. Cold and sweaty. It's ice cold. Check the date. December 2005. I've seen that going off before already. I've seen that equipment not running off camera before. Hit those units. I've actually seen that equipment off once already. It's running right now. Here's this equipment as the fan spins clockwise, spins the wrong direction when it's running, which is going that direction right now. That equipment's a heat pump. Already looked inside of it already. That's cold and sweaty. I've never seen that GMC off before. Finally get to see that Nordyne run on camera. There's that equipment. I actually put that logo on it. The logo is not original. I actually put it on there. It's going harder. That was easy. That logo came off so easy. I took it off without breaking it. Well, that equipment don't have its name no more. The equipment's rattling. The new one is making some weird noise. One of those turned off. Guess I'll check on the equipment if I can get down there. Well, the equipment's rattling. I can't tell if it's been running. Has not been. There's pine needles in the way. It's going sweaty. See if I can get the date, if I can read. March 2024. I think I just stopped the rattle. There's plastic. Can't get it off. I don't think when I found those units, I'm not interested in them. I think that current just came on, the one that's spinning in reverse. I think it just kicked on. Yep. Oh, that one's off. Fan's going in reverse. Oh, they're going to get on. Don't sound good. See it start here. Compressor don't sound good. Fan's going. The fan's spinning that direction. It's supposed to be going that way, like that one. They're going his compressors rattling. That one's off. The fan's spinning backwards. That window's open. I think I should get off here. The Nordyne's off in the equipment. And there are more equipments down there. I think most of these are running. Guess I'll film them from above. Oh, that one turned off. That equipment has its panel removed. I've seen that equipment running with the panel off. I saw him off camera. But that equipment looks like it's fixed. It's not making that loud, like squealy noise no more. But that one kicked on. Have those 5 running and that one off in the corner. Most of these are running. It's cold and sweaty. The fan's off balance, so it's shaking. That one turned off. Let's burn hot air out. Is this going to turn off? It says what kind of compressor it has. It's not a heat pump. I don't think any of those I don't think any of the guns are heat pumps. Fenway's hot. Not that cold. Sucks I have dirt. This current's dirty. I don't know what that is. Like, I heard someone call that thing Wilson. Cord is pressed by. I'll go back up. Guess I'll film different units. There it goes. Film. Sort of film units. Good film. Sucks on sweaty. That equipment's been running. That one has, even though when I was looking at these off camera, there was a rock on top and it fell in while the unit was on. It was loud. Alright guys, I don't think I'm gonna go down there. Okay, I don't see the cat. That no white seals lying near the units. There's a person over there. Gotta be quiet. The equipment's on, and the equipment's quiet. They're silent. I don't think the cat's there. I think that one just turned on. the equipment I'm pointing at on the right just fired up. I don't think that equipment's been running. I never see it. I have not seen it run yet. Guess I'm good to go down there. Got to pause the field if I do that. It's a long way. I have to take the trail down and walk around to go there. Oh, there's some units on the other side of the building I could probably film before I go to those. Alright guys, one of the people's apartments, the blinds are actually open. And not that one, it's the second one over before the last one I passed by. It's actually open. And there's someone there earlier. I'm actually kind of busted. Okay, I think the people are gone. The equipment's running. No, it has been on. Ice cold and sweaty, as always. That equipment's not on. Yeah, it's not been. And the equipment's running again. If I can see this one on again. I'm not surprised on those two. I'm surprised that equipment's on. Cold and sweaty. That's ice cold. Actually is a way to get to the units instead of passing the lines. That equipment's off, turned off. I did not hear it. I did not hear that one turn off. I was about to walk, so I can get to it. I guess I'll keep the field unpaused so you can see my new way. Or if I happen to get busted. I don't think that old equipment down there's running. Here's that equipment. It did not replace anything. It did not replace nothing. I just gotta walk through there to get to the units. That's my new way. That's my only other option. That was the window, the blinds were open. That's what I was talking about. I didn't see the cat hanging out. I did not see the cat anywhere. Okay, it doesn't look like he's there. Let's let the cat talk. Let's let the cat ain't hiding. Oh, that turned on. Finally got a startup. That's my first startup, but I should have waited. Finally caught this unit firing up. Yeah, sucks line's dry still. Oh, it's starting to buzz now. Yep, making its usual rattle noise, as always. It's getting sucks on is cool right now. Guess I'll wait on it and sweat. Well, actually, it's not sweating yet. y'all listen to the rattle. Fridge air's been running. Suction lines, this part is, it's getting cold. It's getting cold now. No, that's room temperature. Let's wait around on this unit. The air is starting to get warm. The unit started up when I was about right here. I was like right here and I just heard it start up and I was like, oh yay, that one came on. I never got started with that before. That's my first startup. I've gotten of it. I was going to check if this equipment's been running, which I believe has not. Nope, not been on. Those two are running. I bet that equipment will kick on. Suction line's starting to sweat. Don't listen to the noise. I can't stay here for too long. I like that, you know what? Do I like the refrigerator? Yes, I do. I do like the refrigerator, but I'm just assuming it might get replaced eventually, including the old equipment and that one on the end. I want that Nordyne to stay. Suction line's already starting to sweat. I can't always film those units because usually there's a cat hanging out somewhere here. I saw the cat hanging out here yesterday. School actually started back. Yeah, today's Saturday. Yeah, I'm only allowed to be here on the weekends. The cat was actually on top of that one earlier, but even though when I looked again, it was on top of the refrigerator. The cat must have got scared because that one kicked on. Afraid he'd get his tail tangled up. Like the fan would just get his tail caught like people get their hair caught. I don't know how long it'll take for that gun to kick on. I don't even know if I should wait around for it to start up. The equipment's like loud when it kicks on. Hopefully guys you heard the start up. Cause I was like a few footsteps away from it. Guess I'll film different units, or maybe in the field. I'm at those units. They've always, I film a lot. Oh, thank God it's not been running. Sucks on, it's not sweaty. Thank God it's not been running this time. All of those two. I still have the equipment logo in my pocket I took earlier. Still have that equipment logo I took earlier. Always see those two running together. This one I'll run very much. Femore's not one. But no, these are running. I've seen that go and run without the compressor many times. It has been running. Femore's wet. There's some oil on that suction line. That Nordyne's running over there. Guess I'll go to those units. That gun has a bad fan motor. But, I mean, the fan's working right now. I've seen it running without the fan before the compressor was on. Off camera. I heard a noise. I heard a banging noise. Yeah, this could be good one. I heard a noise over there. I think it was with it. I think I can turn off. My foot's trying to cramp. My foot's trying to cramp, so I probably cannot film too much. Probably pause the video if my foot starts to cramp. Just come in the middle running. Yeah, I think it's off. Just like that. I'll see if I end the video or not. Alright guys, here are these units. I believe it'll be the last ones to film, and I'm in the video. Not been running, has been on. Always seen that equipment run. I have not seen that equipment running once. Video over.